Hello everyone, my name is Elena and I'm a PhD student at Notman Group and Gibson Group at University of Warwick. Today I'm going to show you how to load a trajectory file with a structure file in the terminal using VMD. So the structure we're looking at today is a PVA file with 5 repeat units. So that means that this n value here has a number 5 on it. And so this is the starting structure that we have. So I've built this PVA molecule and created a box with that in it and surrounded with loads of water. So we'll just get started with that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to load the structure of the PVA 5, which is solvated in water, and then we're going to load the trajectory file for that as well. So I'm going to show you 2 ways of doing that. So the first way is just like we would load a structure, you type VMD and the name of the structure file, which could be .gro or .pdb extension format, and followed by the name of the trajectory file. So that could have .trr or .xyz using, sorry, not xyz, .xtc using GROMAX. And then you click enter. So what this shows us is the polymer, which is really tiny and in blue here, surrounded by a box of water, which is what's in red. And just to prove that, I'm actually going to just skip ahead in my VMD tutorials to change the representation. So what I'm going to do is exclude all the waters. And then just to be consistent with what I've shown you in at the start of this tutorial, I'm going to add some additional features. And then we can zoom into that. We'll just change that to bonds. So there you have it. This is the structure with the water having been excluded. And we have a trajectory file, which basically shows you how the atoms move as a function of time. And so if we just play that, you can see that the atoms are moving slightly bit by bit. So this is just the energy minimization, a really short energy minimization. Yep, so I'll just show that again to make sure you can actually see that. Okay, so that's one way of doing this. And so the other way of doing that, we'll just delete this molecule. So the second way of doing what I've just shown you is to load the files manually here. So new molecule, browse, and then you load the GRO file that you're interested in. Click OK and load. And then, okay, we'll close this. Then you right click the molecule that you're interested in and say load data into molecule, because we're trying to load the XTC into that, or the TRR coordinates into this GRO file or the PDB file. So that's what we click, the TRR, and then we click OK, load, and you can see all the atoms now moving as a function of time. Let's zoom into this a little bit. So, yep, there you have it. And that is how to load trajectory files. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I hope that you have a lovely day.